Hello friends, in this video I'll tell you how to replace the word in the entire text in Word. Like and subscribe, support this channel, let's get started. To begin with, I'll show you how to call the replace function. Press the key combination Ctrl+H and the Find and Replace window will open. The second way is to click on the Replace button in the Editing section. And the third method is to press the Ctrl+F keys and click on the triangle and select Replace. The Find and Replace dialog box opens. Let's replace the word you with the word we. First, you need to expand the functionality of this panel by clicking on the More button. Select the checkbox Find whole word only in the search parameters. If you don't select this checkbox, then all words with the word you in their composition will be replaced by the word we, which as you can see is not the result we need. Well, select checkbox Find all words only and click Replace all. Close this window by clicking on the Close button, and now the word you has been replaced with the word we everywhere in the text. Also, using the replace function, you can format the text as you wish. Change the color, size of the text, or add an underline. For example, let's make the word we red, make the font size bigger and add an underline. Click the Format button, select the font, and in this menu select the font color, underline style, and font size. Then click OK and replace all. And the word we changed as we wanted. Now you know a little more, thanks for watching.